Donald Trump loses bid to have Manhattan DA's hush money case heard by Fed's ancient lambs stranded at Mar-a-Lago after use in 2019 White House event and Israel wants them back. Report Donald Trump reportedly hired Gilgo Beach murders suspect Rex Heuermann for $205K. Project Trump could face conspiracy, tampering charges in January 6 case. Report Republican National Committee Chairwoman Ronna Mcdaniel has cautioned that it would be a mistake for GOP presidential frontrunner Donald Trump to skip the party's primary debates. I think he should be on the stage. I want everybody on the stage that qualifies, obviously, she told Fox News Wednesday. It's a mistake not to do the debates, but that's going to be up to him and his campaign. McDaniel cited two main reasons why she feels it's in Trump's best interest to jump into the upcoming verbal slugfest despite holding a massive polling lead over his rivals. 1. Short term, you want to win the nomination, you got to get in front of the whole primary voters, she said. For me, there's another part of it, which is if you end up getting the nomination for any of these candidates, this is an audience of 20 million people plus. Why wouldn't we get in front of them before we go against Joe Biden? RNC Chairwoman Ronna Mcdaniel has sought to navigate the party through internal divisions over the 2024 primary process. Trump has long been non-committal about attending the first debate, which is scheduled for August 23 in Milwaukee. Ronald Reagan didn't do it and a lot of other people didn't do it. When you have a big lead, you don't do it, Trump told FNC's Sunday Morning Futures, July 16. It's actually not fair. Why would you let somebody that's at 0 or 1 or 2 or 3% be popping you with questions? Longtime advisor Jason Miller hinted that Trump could skip the first two GOP debates, with the second showdown to be held in September at the Ronald Reagan Presidential Library in Simi Valley, Calif. Donald Trump has been non-committal about whether he will attend the GOP debates. In January 2016, Trump famously skipped the last pre-caucus debate in Iowa, which he lost to Senator Ted Cruz, Texas. He later acknowledged that, I think some people were disappointed that he didn't take part, and took part in every other debate en route to the Republican nomination.